What's up, market makers? Happy Thursday, 11 o'clock Eastern Time in Florida. Guys, the market is ranging and it looks like we're going to descend some and then pump and then possibly have another massive dump, as I said in my video, not yesterday, but the day before, because we are tracking in these deadly harmonic patterns and I have to share them with you. Didn't make a video yesterday, guys, because the room has blown up. 150 more people in the last 2 days joined the Trade Signals group. We have over 600 people in Trade Signals right now, over 4,000 people in the room, guys. You can make a lot of money in this room. In the last 2 weeks alone, myself, I have captured over 45% of the Bitcoin price movement in harmonic trades. 45% of the Bitcoin price movement. Do you understand how much money that is? Well, the guys in the room do, because the room, it just keeps exploding, my friends. Check it out. It is zero risk, zero obligation. And if you join before October 1st, it is $40. You are locked in. Your rate will never be changed. And if you're a member, you will never, ever have a price hike. Okay. October 1st, it's going to 80 because we have to slow down the growth because it is so many people coming into the room. And you don't have to believe me, my friends. I can show you 2 trades right here that were published on YouTube that you can see 32+% of the market movement. The butterfly, 20+%. The bull Gartley I did early this week, 12.5%. Guys, that's 32.5% right there. We are well over the limit. People are making a ton of money, my friends. So check it out. And guys, BitGet, by popular request, dozens of you are emailing me and messaging me in Discord saying, please make a BitGet tutorial. That app is awesome. Okay, I've used every single exchange. I was approached by all top 5 exchanges to promote them. I chose BitGet, okay? They gave us $630 in bonuses for anybody that uses the link. Guys, there's no VPN, no KYC. All you do is click the link and use an email and you can start unlocking some of that $630 in bonuses. It's a great platform. It's super liquid. They don't do scam wicks. They don't trade against you. I use it myself. I don't promote anything I won't use myself. That is my primary trading platform. I'm going to release a video because they have some really cool features like copy trading other platforms don't have. They have quantum trading. You can leverage multiple coins against each other and get paid in another coin. There's some really cool things, and they support USDC, my friends. It is super, super fluid, never crashes. I love this exchange. I wish I would have been told about it back when I first came to crypto, because I've been through 7 exchanges. 7, okay? Being in the US, it's really hard to find a good exchange, and this is the best exchange I've been on. Again, no VPN, no KYC. Link is in the Discord. Link is in the video description, as well as the Discord link in the video description, my friends. Jumping into the patterns. As I said, last time we were in this range, Bitcoin dropped 20%, okay? So we have a pattern in that range, but first, let's get to the DXY, because we also trade Forex in the room, guys, and I do Forex signals. I've been tracking the DXY. I had it in a bearish Gartley. Price descended perfectly, just like it should, along the bearish Gartley. And right now, the reason I'm showing you this, by the way, is Bitcoin and the DXY, which is the dollar, tend to move inversely of each other, okay? They move opposite. So right now, the DXY is pumping. It's about to complete an ABC pattern. There's a couple extensions it can go to. And when DXY pumps, Bitcoin, not to the dollar, but Bitcoin tends to have a general direction of down, okay? But this is going to reverse at some point, and I have patterns to show you this, okay? So yesterday, the reason I didn't make a YouTube video is because we had an ABC pattern trade that was developing that we all took in the room. This terminated perfectly at the entry point within $6. On Bitcoin, guys, within $6, nailed the entry, okay? Price descended. As you can see, it spiked down, and I believe it's going to continue to descend, okay? If it continues to descend, we have a white swan pattern that forms. This is a bullish pattern on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is not as powerful as a 4 hour, but as you can see, it's getting dangerously close to our PRZ. And once this happens, this price is going to come up. It's going to make a bottom somewhere and come up, okay? Because price moves X to A to B to C down to D. These are counter trend patterns, my friends. Harmonics is about trend exhaustion, okay? You have a bullish trend, reverses to a bearish retracement, and then it goes bullish again. The difference is different patterns capture different declinations and different ascensions of price. So you have to understand harmonics because it's so powerful, and you can make a lot of money with harmonics, guys. From this push up from this white swan, okay, the overall overarching pattern is the bat, the vampire bat. Again, this pattern, the butterfly was right next to it. Okay, this is where the butterfly was and where it dumped from. This dump that formed the left wing, this is from the butterfly. The butterfly terminated right here in this exact zone where the bat terminates, guys. 20% market dump. I am praying this pattern comes down some, hits the white swan, starts moving back up. And this weekend, because guys, it's Thursday, this is the last trading day of the week. I work at an investment bank since 2008, and I can tell you traders don't do a whole lot on Friday. That's why you start seeing a lot of manipulation in the afternoon. Heavy money comes in, low volume, and if they push this thing up and we get up to this 52K, 51K, between the golden pocket, between the corrective market, oh my God, this could be beautiful. Guys made so much money in the room during this time, guys. So you need to watch this pattern. You need to be in the room. And this is the overall pattern that we're watching. And between those patterns, you're always going to have these smaller patterns like the white swan. And this is where you're going to see bounces or the ABC. And this is where you'll see declinations. So you have to be around people that understand these patterns, my friends. And of course, the pattern that we don't want to see is the Black Widow, okay? Reason being, guys, this is an extremely powerful macro bearish Gartley. This is a death Gartley, the Black Widow, okay? So this is the market high of 65K down to 28,790. And as you can see, I drew this at point B, okay, or point A. So we want X to A to B to C, and then D's up here. Guys, if this pattern gets to 57, I'm seriously concerned if Bitcoin gets to 57K because this brings Bitcoin down to 14K. Now, people who don't trade patterns, I understand, they freak out and they say, there's no way Bitcoin drops to 14K, not in my lifetime. Okay, couple of things. First of all, it doesn't drop to 14K. You're going to have patterns form. It's a price declination direction. So price will just start forming patterns, pumping, dumping. Overall direction will be down. I don't want this to happen. What I want to have happen is that bat take effect because the bat will give you a nice drop, and I believe the bat will take us to our daily pattern, which I've had now for weeks, which you're seeing on YouTube now. People are coming up this 38K number. Again, why is that 38K number important? Because the market low is 28,790 and the bear cycle top was 52,972, and this is the 618 in between the two, and this is a Gartley X, okay? This is a bullish pattern, guys. So if we come up in the bat, and we get the bat to terminate, and this comes back down, and we can get to 38K, you're going to have a nice bump up to 47K, and then you're going to have price declination to the 34K, where price will have to make a decision to go back up, and you're going to be tackling 62K to 74K Bitcoin, or to keep declining. And at that point, you'll have a Bitcoin buy box of 19K to 14K, my friends. So either way, this is a pattern that can easily come into play, and this can become a bat. This can become other harmonic patterns because it depends on the ratios of where the price actually gets to. Depends when the price gets there because these measurements can change, but this is tracking beautifully in 100% right now, okay? So the overarching pattern to watch is this bat. We're going to have patterns in play right now like the ABC pattern that decline us, and then the white swan will pump us up. But this bat is still 100% valid. The white swan's right down here, so it can come down, start coming back up, and then watch for this on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because if we get up in this zone, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this 20% price declination. Whew, because that's going to be a lot of money, my friends. Guys, life-changing money is being made in the room. Come check it out. Again, it's zero risk, my friends. And all the links are right there in the Discord description. The BitGet link, the Discord link, making a BitGet video so you guys can understand how to use copy trade, how to use all these cool functions this platform has. And I will talk to you guys soon. Happy trading.